Tractive Suspension BV develops and supplies suspension systems for motorbike, car and snowmobiles. Specific for our suspension systems is the electronic adjustment. This electronic adjustment is done by an internal electronic valve. For the production of this valve we cooperated with AFT and Copco.
So thank you for the nice cooperation and that we as AFT and Atlas Copco can give you a total solution for the new fantastic product of Tractive. Thanks for that.
Yeah, thank you, Heider. We appreciate the relationship with AFT and Atlas Copco and to bring us a process-safe connection for our components, and hopefully we can work together lots more in the future.
Thank you.